What's he doing? He's snowing. Is he snowing? Okay, come on. It's really cold. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. How beautiful it looks in the mountains. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's snowing. I got my Christmas shirt on. Look how pretty. It's snowing. It's freezing. I'm going back in the house. Midget. Hugs. Nobody's seeing you. That's a little midget. There's a big midget. Okay guys, so what I'm going to work on today for my journaling portion of Vlogmas today is December Daily, Day 1. So on December 1st, literally, we got a huge snowstorm, which you guys have seen some of this footage already. And I'm going to document for day 1. Which one is pretty? I really like that one. And it has the snowflake on it. Yeah, I think I'm going to cut that one out. I'm going to cut this one as my journaling card. So let me see how much I have to trim this up. Where is this going to fit in here? In this little pocket. Is it going to fit? Is it going to fit? Is it going to fit? Let's see. It's a little snug. Oh, but it fits good. Oh, okay, that works. Alright, well then we're going to use that as our template for this one. For our template. For this one. Ooh, maybe this angle isn't good. Maybe you guys aren't able to see everything. There. There we go. Maybe that's better. Okay. I'm just trying out different angles because sometimes the just right smack dab in front of my face angle, sometimes it's just a little hard to see on my end. So I'm just trying out some different angles to see what I like when I watch it in the playback. And then, of course, your feedback is always warranted. You know, if there's a angle that you really love, don't hesitate to let me know, because I like that too. So my little camera, my little camera is charging, but I actually have a picture that I want to add to this as well. So I'm going to leave that spot available, because in these flip ups, in these little flip ups and flip outs, you actually get like double the space. So I'm going to show you in a minute what I mean. So I can do everything I want, and then when my camera's charged, I can print out the picture. But I went to print it out before I sat down to do this, and it's dead. So this will be inside, because that's our journaling. This is going to be on the outside because that's our flip up. And then when it flips up, I can put the picture here. So, but but I want this Let It Snow. This is such a beautiful paper pad. And then here we go with the lighting. It looks like it's getting dark. Okay, so let me find some washi. I put all of my cute little Christmas washi in here. Ooh, snowflakes. Okay, well, we're just going to make those work. Even though it's silver, and this is all, that's gold. But everything else is like real red. Oh, wait, here's silver. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. It's not snowflake. Oh, we're going to make that work. We're going to make that work. Okay. You just love how I talk to myself. Okay, so before I get this down, though, the one thing I do want to do is draw on my journaling lines, though. Because this will be super hard to do once I, Actually, do I have a little blue pen? Yes, I do. Where is that little blue pen? Blue pen! Blue! Blue! So how do you guys like Vlogmas and this very relaxed, you know, thingamadoodle that we're doing here? And on top of it, you guys get to see a little teeny tiny bit of my life within it. Okay, there's my journaling lines. Mine's but we're just gonna live with it. Okay, and then I want to get this piece on here. You know what? I might just cut the square portion off and just use the round. Oh yeah, I like that. Yes, that is cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. Way to go, Missy, using your scraps. You go, girl. You go. Like I said, I hope this angle is working for you guys. I can actually even take that over and cut a little edge off. That might look stinking cute. I like that. I likes it. I likes it a lot. I know one thing, I need to paint my nails. To paint on my nails. A paint on my nails. Okay. I likes it. I likes it. I likes it a lot. And then to bring a little bit of dimension, I brought some of these stickers out. Maybe pop that one there, or do I like just the old school Dollar Tree white one? I think I like the white one, but I might use that star in the center. Okay. That's so stinking cute. Okay, that's cute. That's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my me, my guys. I'm half bonkers today. Okay. So we're gonna make this a flip up. That's cute. Okay, so we have to make a little hinge. Just so sticky again. Okay, so yes, I did do it right. I did. Okay, so we'll stick this portion in. Okay, because this is the part we're going to journal on. I'm going to put my picture up in here, and then that's the outside of it, which this did not go on straight, which is very typical of me, and it's probably going to drive me crazy until I fix it. But now that I use my bone folder on it, it's probably super on there, and I might just have to live with it. Or I might just put another piece on there. But anyways, what you do is you stick this in here like this, because this is this. Oh, I see, wait, I see it, and then it caught that because of this. I didn't cut that completely off. There we go. Okay. Okay, and then this folds, and then that's on the outside. So I'm going to take these out real quick so you guys can see. They're just chilling in here. Okay, I take these out real quick. Put this over here. So this will be my first one in there. But see, if I line them up with the holes, this sticks out above my book, my binder. And the same thing if I move them down. So if I move them down, it's the same deal. This sticks out below my binder. So in order for it to like line up, I'm going to washi this and then do new holes because I want it to sit in there flush. So let's find some cute washi. Let's see, do I have something I can run? That would... Oh, look at the lights. I love it. Okay, we're going to do that one. We're going to do that one. We're going to do that one. And maybe Merry Christmas on the other side. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Grab my crocodile. Okay. And there we go. Okay, I might have to make it a little bigger. I didn't want them super big, but I might have to make them a little bigger. But you guys get the gist. Okay, guys. See, I made the holes just a little bigger. Came right in and out. So real quickly, what I'm going to do, it'll be just a few seconds for you. For me, it's going to be a little bit of time. But I'm actually going to put some of this silver snowflake washi right here because I don't like the way that looks. And then the next little scene that you'll probably see is the picture and the journaling done. So, but I have to wait. For you, it'll just be a second. But for me, I have to wait till my camera's actually done. I mean, not my camera, my printer. My printer is actually charged. So, and then this will be a done deal. All right, guys, I'm just doing this on my phone, so it might be a little shaky. But I just wanted to show you that I got it done. So when you do the flip up, there is the picture, and then the journaling is underneath. And then just to save some time, I don't know if I'm going to keep it this way, but I just wanted to fill the pockets in. I didn't want to leave them blank. So I just put this little stag in here. I put this journaling card down on the bigger one. That isn't even attached. It's just sitting in there. And then when you turn it over, I just put these on the back. Whether I keep it like this or not, that's debatable. I'm not sure yet. I just didn't want to leave it plain, so I was fiddling and just thought I would do it. But this is a tip out. This is how you do tip outs in the plastic sheeting for like your photos. So I think it turned out super cute, and that's to document December 1st, where we woke up to snow. And yeah. Oh, and then I thought I'd show you real quick. I grabbed it. So this is, see, you guys can see me on my phone. I'm just using my phone real quick. But this is my Kodak Mini. It's a Kodak Mini 2, and this is how I print all of my little photos. And as you can see, it prints beautifully. It does a fantastic job. So this is how I do it. I thought I would show it to you while I was talking about it. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I think I got mine at Walmart like 2 years ago for like 80 bucks. So I thought I'd throw that in really, really quick. So at least I got day one done. Whether this is going to stay like this, I don't know. But it's in. Maybe that's a little weird for you guys. So I'll flip it down. I'll flip it down. I'm going to film a little bit of you guys. Is it snowing? Is it snowing? Making homemade pizza for dinner. Yum. Garlicky pizza.
Disney.
I just love it.
With some of your favorite stars.
Are you serious?
So gather the family around the tree, put a log on the fire, and get ready to sing your festive little hearts out to some of the most beloved holiday classics of all time. 'Tis the season for the Disney Holiday Sing-Along.